Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we will be working on Excel chapter 1 simulation exam. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your exam without any confusion. If you need any help with MyLab IT assignments, quizzes, simulation exams or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also showing on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, physics, economics, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C Sharp, and website development using different frameworks like WordPress, Webflow, Wix. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today exam and go through it step by step. And now move to the question number 1. Adjust the width of column A to 25. Select the column A, then right click on this and click on column width and enter the 25 and press OK. You can see that the column width are increases. Now next question is adjust the row height of the row 1 to 30. Same right click on this, then go to row height, then type 30, press OK. The row height are increases. Next is select and hide the column F. Now first we select the column F and then right click on this and click on the hide button. The column F are hide. Select and hide column F. The next is unhide column F. Select the range E to G. Right click on this and click on unhide button. You can see that F column are unhide. Question are now completed. Go to the next question. The next question is that enter the first percent of regular formula equal to 1 minus C6 by D6 in cell F6 and press Ctrl plus enter. Enter the first percent of regular formula equal to 1 minus C6 divided by D6 in cell F6 and then go to the cell F6 and write same formula in the formula bar, then hit enter. You can see that the values are calculated. Double click the cell F6 fill handle to copy the percent of formula through cell F12. Then simply drag and down to the last of the column. Question are now completed. Now move to the next question. Click cell A9 and delete the row. First we select the row A9, then right click on this and hit the delete button. The row 9 are deleted. Insert a new row as row 9. Click on row 9, then right click and click on insert button to insert a new row above the row 9. Type professional in cell A9. Go to the cell A9, then type a text professional. Professional. The next is select cell A9 and then apply bold. Select A9 cell, then go to home tab, then click on bold. You can see that the text are bold. Question are now completed. Now move to the next question. Copy the sheet 1 worksheet. First we select these ranges, then right click on this, then go to this tab, move or copy, then select the sheet 1, then check the option create a copy, then press OK. You can see that the copy of sheet 1 are now created. right click on this and then move a copy. The next is rename the sheet 1 sheet tab as rates and press enter. The remaining changes will auto complete. In sheet 1, right click on this, rename this as rates. The next question is enter 2024001 in cell B6 and then press Ctrl plus enter. You can go to the cell B6 and type a text 2024001, then press enter. To copy the value from cell B6 to the cell B7 through B12, you can drag and down the formula to the B12. You can see that the same values are displaying in all these cells. Questions are now completed. Move to the next question. Display cells formula. Click on this, then go to formula tab, then go to formula editing group, then click on show formulas. You can see that the formulas are showing. Type 435 in cell C6 and go to the cell C6 and type 435, then type 400 in cell C9, then go to cell C9 and type 400. Question are now completed. Move to the next question. Apply the accounting number format to the range C5 to F13. You can select the range C5 to F13, then go to Home tab, and in the number section you can select the accounting format. Accounting format are successfully applied on this range, these ranges. With the range C5 to F13 selected, decrease the number of decimal places to 0. Select the range C5 to C13. Apply the percent style and then change the decimal places to 1 for the range G5 to G13. First we select the range G5 to G13. Then go to Home tab. In the number section, click on percentage button. You can see that the percentage are applied on these values G5 to G13. The next is select the range G5 to G13 and then apply align right. Click on this, select the range and then go to alignment section and click on the left alignment. The data are in the left line on the left. Then the next is increase the indent one time for data in the range G5 to G13. As we select the range G5 to G13 and increase the indent. Now questions are completed. Go to the next question. And the next is set the orientation of the selected worksheets to landscape. First we can go to the page layout section, go to margin, go to the orientation, then select on landscape and then go to margin, select the narrow margin and set 1.5 inch top margin and select the option to horizontal center. First we add 1.5 inch to top margin, 1.5, and select the option to horizontal center, and check the box horizontally, and then press OK. With both sheets selected, change the scaling to 115%. Select the range, then go to page layout section, scale to fit, and in the scale tab, you can type 115% and then hit enter. Question are now completed. Move to the next question. Question number 8. Select and copy the range A1 to G13. Use paste options to paste the range as values and source formatting. Starting in cell A16, press ESC button. First we select the range A1 to G13 and use the shortcut Ctrl C for copy, and in cell A16 go to the cell A16 and go to home tab, click on paste option and select the values and source formatting, paste option, click on this. You can see that the data are copied in the cell A13. Now the next part is use the formula bar to compare the contents of cell G5 and cell G20. Apply bold to the cell that contains a value instead of a formula. Use formula bar. Question are now completed. The next part of the question is insert a new row 5, and the next is select and cut the range A13 to G13. Paste the range starting in cell A5. First we select the range A13 to G13, paste the range starting in cell A5. First we select the range and copy this, Ctrl C, and then go to cell A5, then paste it. Now move to the next question. Look at the cell A5 and then undo the action. The next question is select and cut the range A12 to G12. First we select the range A12 to G12 and cut the range. Insert cut cell into A5, then go to A5 and paste it. Question are now completed. Now move to the question number 11. Select the range A1 to G1 and apply the accent 1 cell style. First we select the cell A1 to G1, then go to home tab, and in the cell style click on this and choose the color accent 1, this one. Select it. Color are successfully applied on this. With the range A1 to G1 selected, simultaneously merge and center the title across the range. You can simply go to the home tab, then click on center, merge and center. Question are now completed. Then move to the next question. Group the rates and copy the sheets. First we group the rates. Create a header with exploring series in the left section, the sheet name code in the center and the file name code in the right section. return to normal view if necessary. First we can go to the page layout section, then click on margin, then go to narrow, then click on header and footer section, go to custom footer. In left section you can write a text exploring series, and in the center section use the sheet name code, and the right section file name, then press OK. Then check the spelling in the group worksheets and correct any errors. First you can go to the review tab, then go to the spelling, click on this, click OK, spell check complete. Questions are now completed. Go to the next question number 13. Display the worksheets in print preview. Click next to display the second worksheet in print preview, and then print the grouped worksheets. Click on file, then go to save print option. You can see that the landscape view of sheet. Questions are now completed. We have now completed 13 questions of this simulation exam. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, my contact details are available in the description and also showing on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams. I have successfully handled courses for the students of Canada, USA and many other countries. If you need any help with this task or your complete course, feel free to reach out me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching.